Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into something kind of cool, something trending right now. And it's all about manifestation.
Oh, yeah.
Have you heard about this? This 369 manifestation journal?
I have. Everyone's talking about, like, is it real?
Yeah, it's like it's supposed to help you, make your dreams come true
Right.
by
Yeah.
like writing stuff down.
The power of thought. Right.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to like really get into it today.
Awesome.
See, how it works, what it's all about.
Yeah. And does it actually work?
Yeah. I mean, some people swear by it, so.
Well, and, I think a lot of people are familiar with, like, the general concept of manifestation,
Yeah,
right? Like
yeah.
putting your intentions out there
Totally.
and using the power of your mind to kind of shape your reality.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. But this 369 thing, it's like, it's got this whole like system to it.
It's very specific. Yeah.
Yeah. So we actually found this podcast, Manifestation Nation. And they did a whole episode on it. So we're going to be pulling from that today, kind of breaking it down.
Okay.
So first of all, like, what is this 369 method?
Okay, so the core idea is that you're writing down your intentions.
Okay.
And you're doing it in a very particular pattern.
Okay.
3 times in the morning,
3.
6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night.
No, I mean, okay.
So you're repeating these intentions, these things you want to manifest throughout the day, and the repetition is really key here.
3, 6, 9. Those numbers sound kind of familiar, though, don't they?
They do, and that's where Nikola Tesla comes in, right?
Yeah.
So the guy who gave us alternating current, genius inventor.
To, like, change the world.
Yeah, huge impact. But he was also fascinated by numerology.
Really?
Yeah, he believed that these numbers, 369, were like fundamental to the universe.
Whoa.
Almost like a divine code.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, it's a really cool little wrinkle in the story.
Yeah. So, I mean, like, Tesla, obviously, like,
Brilliant mind.
yeah, like, we celebrate him for all these scientific achievements, right?
Right.
But this numerology thing, it kind of adds, like, a whole other layer to this, right?
It does. And whether you believe in numerology or not, it definitely, it's intriguing, right?
Totally. So, okay, so we've got this method.
Yeah.
We've got Tesla, like, vibing with these numbers.
Yeah.
So how does this journal, like, actually work?
Okay, so it's not just like a fancy notebook that says 369 on it.
Right.
It's designed to kind of guide you through this 369 method.
Okay.
It's structured. It's got prompts, to help you like really articulate what you want.
Okay.
It's got affirmations in there.
Oh, cool.
To kind of reinforce that positive mindset.
Right.
And there's also space dedicated for gratitude.
I love that.
Yeah.
I've actually been trying to, like, do more gratitude stuff lately. Like, just writing down a few things every day that I'm grateful for.
Mm-hmm.
And it really does, like, it shifts your perspective.
It's amazing how powerful it is, right?
It's powerful.
Yeah. Just taking a moment to appreciate the good things.
Yeah, for sure.
And that's a really key element of this journal too. It's not just about like wishing for a bigger house or a fancy car. It's more about like a holistic approach, right? It's about creating a life that feels good. It's about your relationships, your health, your creativity.
Yeah, it's like manifesting a feeling almost.
Yeah, exactly. Like, how do you want to feel?
Yeah.
And the journal, it encourages you to think about those things.
Yeah.
And to write about them consistently.
So it's the consistency that's like key here.
That's what they say, yeah. Like, you can't just write in it once and expect miracles.
Right.
It's the daily practice, the repetition.
Right. It's like building a muscle almost.
Exactly. And, this might sound silly, but the journal itself is like really pretty.
Oh, nice.
It's beautifully designed.
Oh, I like that.
Which, it might seem superficial.
No, but I think that stuff matters.
It does.
Because if you have something that's like aesthetically pleasing,
Yeah.
you're more likely to use it.
Absolutely. Like, you want to pick it up. You want to open it up.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
So, okay, so we've talked about this method. We've talked about Tesla. We've talked about the journal itself.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like it's more than just like a trendy notebook.
Right.
Like it's a tool that can help you like really focus on your goals.
Yeah, shift your mindset.
Yeah, and maybe like unlock some potential.
Yeah, and it makes you think, right?
Yeah.
Like, even if you don't buy into the whole like manifestation thing.
Yeah.
Could the simple act of writing regularly with intention be a powerful tool in itself?
That's a great question.
Yeah, something to ponder.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. All right. Well, we've got to leave it there for today.
Okay.
But I think this is something worth exploring, right?
Absolutely.
Like maybe grab a journal, see how it feels for you.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, exactly. And let us know. Let us know what you think. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.